Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to create a shortcut in Mac OS operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I'm using Big Sur Mac OS operating system. Let's say we want to create a shortcut of a particular application. We go to Go and then we go to applications. Let's say we have here OBS. I will remove this one. So to create a shortcut, we select an application. Let's say OBS2, right click, pay attention, click make alias. Okay, so the alias is the shortcut. So we will rename to remove the word alias, and then we can distinguish the difference because there is a check sign here. We simply click and drag to our desktop. That's easy. That's the easiest way, to create a shortcut in Mac OS operating system. In this case, I'm using Big Sur version 11.710 Mac OS Big Sur. That's it guys. If you have some questions, can you leave in the comment section of this video. So thank you so much for watching and listening to my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.